So I looked up how I could fix a broken eyeshadow. Apparently these are the only things that you'll need. I don't know if it'll work. It looked like it worked on the videos, but I really want to give it a try because this is my favorite glow kit. So here we go. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Oh. No. Make sure that the alcohol's closed or it would spill. This is just the top of a perfume that I have. I'm gonna use it to pour inside so we can get the formula going. I'm gonna use a Q-tip as my little brush to help me, because if you have this, you know how concentrated it is. Let me show you. This was just like a little tab. Let's put some here. I don't even know if you can see that shine. Can you see me shine brighter than your future? I don't know if that went on well, but I'm still shining. Let's put some on my collarbones to make me look good. Some on my shoulders. I can see it, even if I don't have my glasses on. Now, I'm gonna have to go out tonight because all of this is not going to waste. Boom, like I can just hit a post right now. Whew. Okay, so let's do this. Well, first what I'm gonna do is try and gather as much of it together. I am scooping. The goal is to try and get all this in there. Nailed it. Let's continue. According to the videos, I'm supposed to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol and mix it with either a toothpick, but I had a bobby pin, so let's do it. It said that you just wanted a little nice gooey texture. I feel like Bill Nye the Science Guy, but for makeup. All right, I poured some, maybe some more. Oh, all right, let's mix. There's a song. There's a Spanish song where it's mixing. La batidora. If you know Spanish, then that was the song that taught you how to twerk. Now that it's nice and gooey, we're gonna put it on the side and we're going to clean off the palette so it can be all cute. I'm gonna cut this tissue in half. We need the other to clean off this mess. So, 1, 2. Ooh.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
We're going to fill in here with what's in here. Spread that baby out. After you have spread it out, you will grab the tissue and you're gonna put it over and flatten it out. Flatten it out with your finger. Look at my baby. My glowing kit is glowing. Glow up, okay? It just went through a whole glow up session. It works overall, I would say. It's a little gooey, so I'm just guessing that I have to wait for it to dry for a couple of hours. But I can definitely use this again, and it's a lot better than when I started. So yeah, it works. Now, let's have a photo shoot.
Bitch, I'm butt.